Hi there,
I'm Haley,
I'm David.
and we are here to talk about social media in the concrete industry.
Oh, couldn't be a better person than you to talk about social media in the concrete industry. You're it, man.
I guess.
You're the
That's
one.
what they tell me sometimes.
Yeah, you're the one.
Alright.
You know, and the reason for that
Okay.
is, you know, starting in the last century when I grew up in the engineering business, you know, we had yellow pages, you know, we had flyers, advertisements coming into the office. So that's what we did. If we wanted to find something, you know, we'd go in the catalog or we'd go in the yellow pages, get on the phone and whatnot. Well, that was tedious.
Yeah.
That took a lot of time, you know, and you talk to people and they took a lot of your time.
And I'm sure you can't find exactly what you want or need.
It was hard. So, but then came the internet. Oh, God bless the internet. Yeah, God bless the internet. So then we learned about web pages. We could go on, we'd search, we'd type something in, it would bring us information, quick, efficient. We'd go on the web pages and we'd scan through what they had, and it was kind of an advanced yellow pages. It's a little faster to search, you know, we had more stuff at our fingertips, more information. But it's still, you know, it was us looking for things. But now there's social media. So social media, in my mind, in one way is a little different because, for us at least, it's a marketing tool. So we can put our goods and wares and expertise out in social media, so it's a way to advertise. And then conversely, people that are doing that, we can find them on social media. And well, you've been here about 5 weeks now, and about a week ago we had a meeting, and in that meeting you had some statistics of how things have changed in 4 weeks
Okay, yeah.
since you've been here.
Okay.
Why don't you tell folks about that?
Yeah, so our subscribers, views, watch time, all of our statistics, our analytics are up, so that's exciting. And I think my approach is kind of just to share who we are, what we value, because social media to me is really about connection,
Right.
and we lose that a lot of time through technology, and so social media kind of gives it back to us.
Yeah.
We can kind of portray exactly who we are on a video, and then if clients hate it, they don't have to work with us. If they love it, it's even better.
I think that's a good point. I hadn't actually thought about it quite that way, that it's not quite like you're sitting there talking to one another,
Exactly.
but it's much closer to it.
And this is kind of off topic, but how have you seen it change the industry itself? You kind of described like the transition, but I guess as a whole.
Well, we do I think part of what we've done here has been different is the educational component. We can put out quick and easy, we can put out these 2 to 8 minute videos, these educational videos, and people like those.
Yeah.
I mean, people tell me they see them or they saw me on video or this or that. So that's changed to sort of add that, you know, 2 guys talking in the bar component.
Yeah.
You know, so, and I think that's part of what's changing. So yeah, we've gone from this dry, sit at your desk, on paper, boring, to this sort of, hey, let's get together and talk about it.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
and that's a big difference. I think that's one of the ways it's changed, is being able to sort of chat and get to know each other instead of, hey, it's this much and it's coming this time. You know.
Or even just read this 40-page article to find
Yeah.
one piece of information.
Yeah, so I mean, social is a good word for it. It adds that social component to it, which for me, I like. I mean,
Yeah.
I like, you know, I'm kind of an eyeball-to-eyeball person. I like dealing with people directly when I can. But when I can't, social media is the next step.
Yeah.
It's the next level.
Yeah.
But you still kind of have that feel of talking and dealing
Connection,
with
yeah.
connection. Yeah, thank you.
Well said.
Yeah.
So, what do you think is the biggest challenge, in your opinion, like for you in social media, or even the industry as a whole?
Okay, well, for me, there's a learning curve. I mean, you know,
Of course.
I grew up paper and pencil, you know, dial telephone. But for the industry, you know, for all the criticism of engineers, and a lot of it is valid because we live with standards, we live with specifications. It takes forever to write those, it takes forever to get those approved. And if you don't use a specification or standard, you go out, you know, wild hair, you know, cowboy, go out on your own. If something goes wrong,
Yep, you're screwed.
you're screwed. Yeah, you know, you could be looking at losing your license, your job, your house. I mean, you're really screwed. So it's hard to make that transition. But on the other hand, when I talk to young people that are thinking about being engineers, I say, you know, engineers are problem solvers. I mean, you know, you're thinking about the black glasses and the pocket protector. You know, that's how you may envision engineers. But what they do is solve problems.
Yeah.
And so what's the best and easiest way to solve problems is to gather information as quickly as you can, talk to people, other people, and get their ideas, collaborate, and use that to solve the problem. So, you know, if the industry hasn't come around, then I think it will, just for that reason. It's an excellent problem-solving tool.
Yeah, I never even thought about it like that.
Yeah.
And I totally agree.
Yeah, so.
Awesome. Well, that is it with Mr. David Harris, social media expert, social media connoisseur.
If only, yeah. So,
All right. Well,
all right.
thanks, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below with any concrete questions, concrete concerns. Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt.